Have you ever seen a weak, struggling plant become greener and healthier with a simple, homemade plant tonic? Sometimes the best garden helpers are already sitting in your kitchen. Today I'll show you an easy natural recipe made with rice, oats, turmeric, and jaggery. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of raw rice to 500 milliliters of clean water. As the rice soaks, it releases natural starch. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oats. Oats provide organic matter that can encourage microbial activity and help the soil retain moisture. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains naturally occurring compounds that may help support a healthy soil environment when used as part of this homemade tonic. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Jaggery serves as a food source for beneficial microorganisms during fermentation, helping the mixture develop naturally. Stir everything thoroughly, cover the jar loosely, and place it in a warm spot for 2 to 3 hours. After fermentation is complete, strain the liquid into a clean container. Mix 1 part of this concentrate with 5 parts clean water before using it. Pour the diluted solution around the base of your plants to support healthy roots and improve nutrient uptake. You can also lightly spray the same diluted mixture on the leaves to help keep them looking fresh and healthy. Avoid spraying during the hottest part of the day and apply either early in the morning or in the evening. Use this tonic once every 2 weeks as part of your regular plant care routine. With consistent care, you may notice stronger growth, greener leaves, and healthier looking plants over time. Sometimes the simplest natural ingredients can become a valuable addition to your gardening routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy organic gardening tips.